Hey guys, this is Mr. Golias. Hopefully you already answered your questions relating to the research rubric. And we are going to do a paraphrase research fact. Remember, paraphrase means that we're putting this into our own words. Now, just so we're on the same page, we're looking at technology versus topics. So when I'm doing my research fact, if I'm doing an app, my research fact really shouldn't be about MIT App Inventor. It really should be about, well, what is my app about? So this one is an app helping families fighting cancer. So my research fact would really be on fighting cancer or families fighting cancer. My research fact probably wouldn't be about iJack app or augmented reality. This one is about an augmented reality app augmented reality that's saving the environment. So I'd focus more probably on saving the environment. My video production one, this one is on helping to fight homelessness, so I'd probably focus on that. Tinkercad 3D print, this one they're doing a print to help people, the hearing impaired, so that would be a good area to research. That would be my topic. The animation one, this one gives two examples of anxiety or depression. I mean, it could be about any topic depending on what your animation is. That would be where you'd want to go with your researcher. With the video game and a platformer game, if that's what I'm making, maybe I'm going to have a research fact about platformer video games. I could have some research that touches on the topic. Maybe my one fact does, you find something so crazy about augmented reality or an app that you could do that. But my encouragement is your research will probably be more interesting if it's on the topic. So that's the background. You can go ahead and find your one research fact and paraphrase it now.